Okay, let me show you post and page options. Okay, let's go to the posts. Hello world. When we scroll down the post details, you will find post options on page, of course, page options, and we can declare some dynamic meta for this post. Okay, my meta content or something, and also you can add multiple details here and drag and drop, reorder them. And this is very helpful for a portfolio and some details to use. And of course, please read the documentation and how to show and get those metas on your PHP sections. Okay, next one is the header layout option, and you can, we don't have any additional headers now, but if we have, we'll list it here and select one of them for this page. Specifically means your site have one header, and this post can have different heading. Also, you can disable and no heading for this post. Top slider and Revolution or some premium plugins, slider plugins created, and you can list here and select one of those on top of your site. And page layout, we have multiple layouts, wide and left, right, above sidebar. If you select this one and your post permanently wide, but if you select this and it's inherited from the theme options. Okay, you can select above sidebar and configure custom sidebar on this post. Now here I have two options, but you can add more options on theme options. Okay, page title, you can show height and disable featured image, relate post. Post options, post author, and final two options are really important. And if you have some wide section, wide layout on top of your content, you can disable spacing between header and this top wide section. Also from the footer you can set or some numbers between your sections like this. And of course you can set default option on theme for theme options. Okay, this is the page option details. You can find it on pages, posts, portfolio, every single post types, and hope you can see it helpful and use frequently. And thank you.